The fact is that today the RSS knows that it stands exposed, and secondly, it also knows that power is slipping out of their hands as the narrative is slipping out. And in the debate on Ambedkar ji, we have seen how Golwalkar ji, Savarkar ji, his bunch of thoughts, and even K.S. Sudarshan, who said in 2000 that the minorities must accept the majority and they must accept their culture. All these are bringing to the fore the real face of the RSS, and that is why the RSS now, because it stands exposed, because they are the ones who kept going on hammer and tongs with the Assi Bs, Kabristan, Shamshan, etc., and spread hatred in the country when there are more important issues of women, issues of unemployment, issues of price rise that should actually be looked into. And Mohan Bhagwat ji, I think, realizes that they need to change the narrative because the Prime Minister has not gone to Manipur. The Adani issue is bringing a lot of bad name to the country, and the BJP government, supported by the RSS, which is really a prodigy of the RSS, is in the dock today. And in the relationship that we have had with our neighboring countries is at an all-time low, and now with the Adani issue, it is completely destroyed, and there are so many parliaments questioning us, and that is why the RSS is now worried, because the world over the RSS is now being looked at with suspicion, and that is the reason he's saying it.
But Sujata Paul, these comments have not been made today. Like I listed out right at the start, these comments have been coming for the last 4 or 5 years.
True.
Why look for a shivling under a masjid came to the fore 2 years ago?
No, but
that had nothing to do with the Adani issue or crony capitalism or any other parliaments questioning us.
No, Poona, but it is, building up. And the fact is that the RSS obviously knows that there are these wannabe Hindu leaders who are coming up everywhere, in every state, and destroying the harmony of the country. And who is being blamed? It is the RSS. Every time something like this happens, the RSS people are there. And that is why I think he has realized to safeguard his own position, to safeguard his own organization. Otherwise, you tell me, why is it that K.S. Sudarshan had said that the minorities must accept the culture of the majority? And today, he is saying, Mohan Bhagwat ji is saying, that there is no minority and majority in this country. We are all one. And that is what we have been saying. This country is united in its diversity, and that is how it will be.
And that's exactly the message.